We are back checking out another one of BLUETTI's brand new DIY solar power batteries. This is an LFP battery and it's from BLUETTI. This is something different. You usually don't see this. But if you already know all about this, you're just trying to take advantage of a little bit of an extra discount, use the promo code ADVENTURETECH. That'll drop the price down for you. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get that deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else that wants to learn more about this battery that BLUETTI just put out, stay tuned. We're going to go over everything right here. So this is a self-heating battery. It's got multiple protections in it so you can replace your lead acid batteries with something like this, and this has protections built in and you're not getting that with the lead acid battery. And this is LFP battery. This is going to last so much longer, 6,000 plus life cycles. That's like 15 years or something like that. Projected use if you charge and discharge this every single day. Plus you got app monitoring, another thing you're not going to get with a lead acid battery. This is an awesome replacement for a trolling motor. And this is the 314 amp hour version, which is awesome for solar power. You can actually get an insanely huge setup when you link many of these together. This is a serious battery for serious setups. It just dropped and it's a super new product, one of the newest from BLUETTI. So this is lighter, faster, and more efficient. If you're going to be replacing your lead acid batteries, this is definitely ideal. I mean, think about this. Look at the difference in weight. The BLUETTI battery is only 65 pounds. Lead acid battery, if you're getting 300 amp hours, we're talking about 170 pounds there. So whatever you're replacing this battery in, you're going to be making that device lighter as well. Whether it's your boat, your golf cart, or whatever, you're going to have a lighter ride after this. Not to mention you got a lot more usable energy. LFP batteries are great, 10-year lifespan, while lead acid batteries maybe get a couple years out of them, maybe 500 cycles, as opposed to LFP batteries, which you're getting 6,000 plus cycles. That's insane. Kind of a no-brainer to upgrade. And this has all-around protection. We talked about a lot of this in the last video. We went over the 100 amp hour version. It's got the intelligent BMS built in, going to protect you from messing anything up on this battery, plus keep itself safe, which is going to make this last a very long time for you. And it's IP65 water resistant and dust resistant. With the fire resistant casing, they thought of everything with this battery. So this battery is going to be ideal for a lot of different scenarios: RV, off-grid, for your rig, really anything that you want to do. This is 314 amp hours. That's like having 300 amp hour batteries. That's a lot of power for you, and it has a huge amount of output. So this is brand new from BLUETTI and it just came out. So we're going to see how BLUETTI handles itself in this brand new environment. Use the promo code ADVENTURETECH if you're trying to pick one of these up with a discount. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get over this page, get that deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. Everybody else, you could subscribe completely for free just by clicking the subscribe button. But make sure to click that bell icon. You'll be one of the first people to hear about this brand new stuff.